Alright everybody, here we are 24 hours later after this blizzard of 2013 or Nemo storm, whatever the hell everyone's calling it. Yeah, the snowdrift now goes up to my roof. I got some cool snowdrifts back here up to the back window of my house. Just insane amounts of snow here. And we've actually got the whole family out here, my son, my daughter, and the wife. And yeah, my wife's car is still under there. You can see less of it now than you used to be able to. So yeah, we're gonna get to clearing this out. But before we do that, I'm gonna take some measurements and see what we actually got out here, because this is just insane. This is a good spot to start. Middle of my driveway. See if I can find the ground. It's 24 inches anyways. Maybe more. Let's see how tall the snowblower actually is. Oh, she's 23 inches. She might do it. Here's the other side of the wife's car again. That's my kitchen window right there. Yeah. I mean, that kitchen window is taller than me and I'm 5.5 feet tall. So this is like a 6.5 foot snowdrift here on top of the car. We're gonna get this fucking thing out of here. You're gonna have to swim your way to your car. I think we're gonna try to drive the car out of the snowdrift without digging it out, because that would just be awesome. What do you think of all this snow, Alex?
I'm trying to get it out.
Yeah, I am too.
I stuck on this.
You gonna get that door open?
Ain't that some shit?
You got keys?
Inside. I didn't think about that when I got here, okay?
You're stuck. Try again.
That's probably far enough. Alright, so I got the Jeep backed out of the way there. Now it's her turn to try to get the car out of the snowdrift. Oh no, you're clean. Oh, she's trying. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, maybe the airbox is plugged with snow. Come on, little PT. You can do it. Yeah, it looks like it's free. We're gonna try digging out the exhaust because we think maybe that's the problem. There it is. Now we can try it again. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yep. Oh, I think she's stuck. Rocket, rocket. We got some friction problems, don't we? Grandma! Ah, shit. Try backing up. There you go. You got it! Yes! Ooh, she doesn't sound like she's too happy though. So she's out. And she's running. Sounding a little better now.
Yeah, she did get out of the snow.
Well, I'll let you clean that off, and I will get the snowblower out. Let's see, we Yeah. Oh, I guess I shouldn't have said that. Well, there you can see the corner of my house again. The propane tank has been dug out, as well as where the wife's car was and my oil barrel. And I've got this parking area kind of cleared out, and you can see how deep the frickin' snow is. Of course, that's the buildup for me blowing it over there. But holy shit, I had to stop because it's actually deeper than my snowblower is tall. You can see I was basically tunneling through that. Alright, we are finally done. I got my turnaround done. I got the end of my driveway all opened up so I can come and go as I please. I even dug out my mailbox over there. And just because I know a lot of people are going to ask me about this thing, this is my snowblower. It's a Sears Craftsman. I'm not sure what year it is, but it's Drift Breaker, I think is what it's called. Yeah. And it's actually got dual augers. You got, obviously the two augers here, and the impeller, which is actually 14-inch, which is huge. And you've got the secondary auger up here, which, as you can see, is a chain drive to the top. So, I mean, like I said, it's 23 inches tall. I'm not sure how wide it is, probably like 30 inches wide. But man, this thing doesn't bog down no matter what you stick it through. It's awesome. Oh, there you go, 32-inch path. And I'm pretty sure it's a Tecumseh motor, old Tecumseh. Back when Tecumseh actually was, something to be proud of, not ashamed of. So, yeah, she's still plugging away. Starts right up first start. It's pretty awesome. It is a 5-speed, and I'm pretty sure it has a Peerless 700 gear drive transmission. There's no friction drive in this thing, so it's pretty badass. But that's it for me. I'm gonna go get something to eat. I'm starving, and I've had it with shoveling out from this 2 feet of snow. I'm seeing all these plow trucks drive by and shit, and tractors on the back, and snow blowers, and it's just friggin' ridiculous. I don't know how you guys that get this much snow all the time deal with this shit constantly, because I don't know where you put it all. I mean, we didn't have any snow on the ground at all, and we have 2 feet now, and there's just a ton of it, when you pile it up, so it kind of sucks. But yeah, keep an eye out for the tractor romp video that's coming right up, and thanks for watching my miserable snowblowing video. And yeah, we'll see you next time.